Hey y'all, I'm preheating my skillet here. I'll try making a burger in it. Okay, so tuna can is shorter than my cat can. So I'm using my cat cans, 4 of them and 1 of these. And for the wick, I'm using the table, the you put on your dining table. And then I'm trying these two. Ordered these off of Amazon, and I put 2 beside each other. You're going to cut it the length you need and stick two together, and just stick one of these in the middle. Cut it, whatever length your can is, and then after you fill your can with Crisco, I melted mine in the microwave, and then in a pyrex, and then I filled them up about all the way to a 1/4 inch. You don't want to fill it full, and then you want your wick just sticking up above it. And anyway, I'm kind of, oh, that's getting warm. I'm gonna need a let's see, need a hot pad. Okay, I want to put a grilled cheese in there. That took 15 minutes to do that grilled cheese. Just put your butter in there first. I gotta get these out, they're done. But I'm gonna leave it open face because I'm gonna try cooking meat. I've never tried meat, but y'all use a iron skillet because those candles can run. I got my meat ready. Searing. I'm gonna put a lid over this. It'll help hold the heat in. This is by no means fast cooking. So the grilled cheese took 15 minutes. And you can see it's grilled. Anyway, let's see how long it takes the burger to cook. And then I'm going to cut up lettuce, tomato, and onion. Okay, y'all. I started at 25 after. So it's... I started at 8:25. It's almost 9. So, start to finish, you counting you 35 minutes to cook your grilled cheese and burger. And it's not going to sizzle. It hasn't sizzled. I poured the water off. There was some water in there, but you can see it's done. And you press down, you clear juices. You do want to make sure. Now, iron skillet conduct this heat. Yeah. Now, you see how my skillet's setting and I'm showing flame? I actually need a bigger skillet. I don't know what size this is. It's like medium, I guess. If it fit more around it, the bigger the skillet, it's going to work better. But I don't know where my big skillet is right now. Don't use your painted enamelware and stuff like that. You got to use iron. Iron everything, or you're going to be blackening your, Now that, I trust it's done. So if I get sick, I'll make a review of that. But see, it is done. I trust it. I wouldn't eat it if I didn't trust it. Okay. So after I eat it, I'll give a review, and I'll wait a little while before I post this. Let me put it together. You see, you still have plenty of fuel left, because these things burn a long, long time. Let me blow these out. Make sure they stay out. Like that one, still got an amber, so you wouldn't Okay, they're cold now. And it didn't hardly use anything up. Didn't use hardly any. Okay, here's the burger. Now the reason why you start off making a grilled cheese, like if you want to do that before you do your meat, or then you're going to have meat drippings all over your bread. Okay, so there you have it. I just got to put the meat on top of the, this is a half a bread because it's Dave's bread, it's big. So I'll give you an update how it tastes. That's how it looks put together. Now I'm going to take a bite. They're good. Tastes like hamburger. Cheeseburger. I could have put some bacon on it too.